I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft Word. Step 1. Open a Microsoft Word document. Tap File in the menu along the top of the screen. A menu opens. Step 2. Tap More if you don't see Account, and then tap Account. Your Microsoft 365 account screen is shown. Step 3. Locate the Office Theme option. Click to expand the Office Theme dropdown and then click Black in the list of options. This screen will automatically switch to being displayed in dark mode. Going forward, your Word documents will be displayed in dark mode. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.